In this video, I'll show you how to join the Well of Heaven's special training in Wellwinds Meet. Now, if you've come across some Well of Heaven disciples simply just running around training and you want to join them, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and access menu and then select Wandering Paths. From here, choose Casual Co-op, and then you should see Well of Heaven Special Training. Select that. Then go ahead and choose Participate and confirm that you wish to go ahead and participate in the special training. Wait for you to arrive at the specific location. And then from here, now all you need to do, and then when you see the Well of Heaven disciples running, all you need to do is simply chase after them so that you can catch up. And then from here, simply agree to join. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully joined the Well of Heaven training in Wellwinds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, simply leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.